Good morning. This is Richard from Littleton, Colorado. I purchased a 6-ton air-to-water heat pump about 3 months ago and installed it and have been using it for this winter. I do plan to use it for cooling. Haven't had a chance to see how it's going to run for my cooling system, but for now the heating system, it is doing a great job. It works with a solar hot water system and gas boiler system that I have installed in my 7,000 square foot home that I built back in 1996. The unit has, on the right side of the view from where we're looking, 1.25 inch threaded ports to run piping in. I ran 1-inch water PEX piping from the house system into the heat pump and back. It does come with 1.25 to 1 inch couplings so that you can, connect your, smaller piping if you decide to do that. You can hear the heat pump running right now. I believe it's running in low speed at low load. It runs in parallel with my solar hot water system. So the solar generates heat during the daytime when the sun's out, and that water runs through the heat pump. The heat pump will cycle off as the solar catches up to the heat load of the house. And then as the temperature of the water starts to cool below set point, the heat pump comes back on and heats the house. The heat pump does a great job producing the hot water I need. I have radiant hot water heat and fan coils that heat and cool the house. You can hear the heat pump now ramping up a little bit from the low load condition startup, but it is very, very quiet. I'm going to move in closer so that we can see the side view of the unit. The 1-inch piping comes from the house through the unit and back through the house. The extra pipe that shows on the picture on the top of the pipe there is an actual covering of the vent. I got an air vent on the piping to get the air out of line. I will move in closer to the heat pump nameplate so you can see that. Also, there's a gauge, high pressure gauge on the side of the unit that comes with the unit. That's the back view of the unit. Side view of the unit. There is a condensate drain when it goes into defrost for winter operation. You can kind of see the hole that it drains from in the back corner. Again, you can hear the unit running and it's very quiet. This is a view of the digital display that comes with the heat pump unit. Comes with the cabling for a temperature sensor for an indoor tank, which I don't have the tank. I have a large enough system that it acts as a tank for me. The digital display is mounted on an adjustable arm, a cell phone arm for that matter, but you can see that it does give you all the information. From this digital display, you can make all the adjustments that you need to for the heat pump. The unit also comes with a Wi-Fi component that allows you to use their software to make any adjustments that you may need for operation. Also, you can see all the operating parameters on that software app that they provide with the unit. Hopefully this gives you an idea of the unit and its operation, and look forward to using the unit for summer cooling this summer.